Come on, Olenoku. This kind of tag, na keha Ga-dangmes. It's not just the ladies who sing ake was small nichumo. We are lazy. We don't take care of our kids. Kenakani be here. It's a wrong tag. Before then chepo try ni funny. Ben ye number in chale. Minta oni makele noko. Sing I wasn't able a picky. I wasn't able to get through. No in tagle your video ni lo and behold. Ijele. Because come on, Ijele. How can you say such a thing? The ni funny we knew. Ke ilala ke ni bi with this kind of answer shows ake ni funny den che bulu ni. Excuse my language. A bedroom.
Yo be ablade bi mene Kenya na wa ku wakaye yesane gba shimo mene edi do sane wo ma wa kwe no nu ya no ni mene de nkobeto nka nya minu na ni obi ani wo wa gba sane wo ke o kan claim bi no ba bi ene Chorkor TV Chorkor Youth TV ona wo promote gan won ta oni wo gan no ni gan ko mama papa ni wo mene sane ni wo ba gba eji wo nyemi ni fani Moni wake shio wachichi yake nganyo form obi ni fe galala ni chale enye cross Greater Accra ni other region in fact mente security also yanu ni fa ni lala ejeme na akenkoto shi ni chale je shebo bon mi se ewo hin enya wa shimo mi se ne e ba Yuenoko te interview Halifax show no ni Yuenoko shi e ango gama na ewo fe like e ba like be ahele nwenwe internet no wo mo wa discuss ni what one wo dwemo ye like an issue any awie e wo nka nya minu ne ne obi ani bagba sane si mo ma ni eji inshi achonye no chale welcome
that okay
I say Mr. Fresh Boy in the building
oh yeah I saw me like niado near Fu Ga-dangmes, Ga-pe, Ada Kega. Oh, me and Fu Ga-dangmes, but forgive my Ga. We live in a cosmopolitan, places. Oye Ga, Tomo Teshin, you speak typical Ga. Move away, so if you find yourself in the mix of Koforidua, Kenagan, Ashama, Kenagan, Saigele, you have to bear with me. See, Ingwe ni Koba book me J Brown Ado. Aka ni Ado.
Mr. J Brown.
Yeah, J Brown Ado. Well, me Fu Ga-dangmes.
She when you mean ni funny aleno follow ole ojogba feel.
Oh, I know ni funny very well. Ilele ojogba because a boss, a former boss, Halifax. Like a time each one in Plus FM. The war Ekeleba for promotion. So that was when ni meet for the first time. And lo and behold, a lala nikeba who promote lala ni in a hit. And I can even say, okay, Nifani is one of our own who was able to cross the borders apart from Klala, Bole Klala, other Ga musicians. Gasmila, no, so I was really impressed about the success he has chalked for the time being. Yeah, so ni funny ele ojogba.
Emile chekele national of you no me eba was studio de basha pictures.
Oh, okay.
Ayata jeme no me photo studio ko. Onkele isna sa lele. She aleno video ni ba out obutuwe.
Oh. Ina ye moko guy ko. Go bon den chepo eje ganyoni. She a post video and in the course of scrolling through in a video and a tag before then chepo try ni funny ben ye number in chale minta oni makele noko see I wasn't able a picky I wasn't able to get through no in tag le your video ni lo and behold ijele. Because come on, ijehale. How can you say such a thing? Come on, Olenoko. This kind of tag na ke ha Ga-dangmes. It's not just the ladies who sing ake wo small nichumo. We are lazy. We don't take care of our kids. Kenakani be here. It's a wrong tag.
Lakani na your Chorkor and is it true that
oh come on no ake we are lazy only we are content with what we have ke ganyo echuni ne nane he is okay no he is not jealous of anyone no ke ena a single room ko ena a porch ko ni e ba anye ya mami ke ba ile ba wo peacefully he is okay no. And we are able to like well English English here no. We are hospitable.
Yeah, accommodate.
Bona inge osia near me. Koba asama denjepo. My uncle ni me pi bata osia ni wole na me jepo 2 years 3 years. Ken na no ko na echu ni a high le denje ni ne. Then we offer.
It's true.
And
Ghanaians are not boastful. They are
no. Hey, let me tell you, you get caught in some big firms. No one nice girls, nice gentlemen. Now can mene ganyoni.
You doubt.
You get in your cousins come on. In your cousins come. You get nice girls ni.
Wow.
Ke mogo kebu ake ni ne mene je ganyoni. Allo mene ganyoni, you will not believe it. You will doubt. No, we are very accommodative. No, kemukuba. That's why we sell our land to these strangers. That's why if they can't get anywhere to sleep, we give them a place. We can even give you our bed whilst we will sleep on the floor.
Exactly.
That's what makes us Gans.
But Onake is like people are trying to how do you say it? People are trying to take our kindness to
be our weakness. And that's what I'm saying. Ona, when you go to Kumasi, they are equally lazy people who don't take care of their kids.
Okay.
When you go to Aigbe, they are equally people who don't take care of their kids. Kote Adam Poele Gan BJ and all. Every tribe have it. We have people who are even rich. They don't even take care of their kids. And they are not Gans. But ni fani but then chapo ganyo jibo.
Yeah.
Oh papa ganyo no, oh mami ganyo ni. Did your father take care of you? Allo oshia if equele eshia mini lazy people here. Allo game na me small about family. About chuni. So I think okay, with what he saw in his house there, that's what he came out to say. Let me tell you, when you come to our house, we have people, Gans, we are predominantly Gans. Moko doctor ni.
Yeah.
What last money oba yake common from member teacher. La boy be wini bana.
Thank you.
Ladies girls, ladies, they are doing very well for themselves.
Wow.
Equally, kote some other houses, but then chabo be ganyo jibo. You are doing well.
Kente eko ni kenje Chorkor people doubt.
That's it. Because I'm a like Chorkor be neke.
Like
look, let me tell you, inte Winiba, Inyanyoko Kamite Winiba, Kote in Shona. The life they live over there is the same life. Koba Nine Chorkor is everywhere. Kote Cape Coast, Kote Takrade. That's how they are.
It's like many live
along the coast.
They have a similar kind of life.
You get Kote Ga-dangmes or Ga-dangmes. That's how they are.
Exactly. It's true.
No, you can't use that thing as a stereotype to say, okay, this is how Gans are. Okay. Then you are a fool. It's a foolish statement from me funny.
And Chorkor, often money Chorkor video, money video play screen and only ona ekolo onako.
Na wumpe brofo kan ya omosi wa ware broni fita ya akasa be na mo
black American
black and black American on tingran
she dey broni e be bro churu
just a broni e broni fita nti we bibi ne nso black American. Yeah, I see. Inti Ghana kesiye we nyina when who be all free call woku ana bukum tafo buzi abia ngwanu. Why black American?
Even name your Ga-dangmes mom.
In Cranford no more pay.
I'm sure they
Almost row.
and they feel like I will not take them anyway.
Why is it so?
I don't know.
Anyway, the Bible says
I don't like it.
a prophet is not respected in his home.
No, not respect, but system of factual.
Funny
mama, mini okafi, brother, papa, and they say, we say, like, it's too much. Yala puji yala ni muku yala. Pi so I don't nuchumo wame epi sorry to say pi sumo nuchumo. So yeah.
Sani Halifax Bile, let's analyze it from this angle. Do you think Halifax as a presenter should he have asked such a question?
Olenogo, Halifax is one of the journalists, yeah. He's a journalist and he's also a Gan.
Yeah.
Halifax and San Ado. Yeah, we share the same name. Yeah. Bona. And this is not the first time Halifax is asking questions concerning this Gan tribe. I've forgotten the first instance.
I think Niadote.
Yeah, thank you. Bona, to the extent that thank you.
I remember.
Niadote Yega, he want to stop.
Yeah.
Niadote from speaking Gan. If you do this in international, allow Ghanaians to accept him. He should sing in I think I get fancy alumini.
Yeah. Info na, but interview ni Nifani was speaking Ga.
Oh, but Nagata ni adote aye ni tree. No one will fire le. So if anyone comes with this dialect, any stop the more bona.
Yes, I get it. Now let's analyze it also from Ekulamuko Akake a trainee award, so he has every right to ask questions. I think we've dealt with that. But now, Nifani side, do you think Nifani was wise enough to have tackled such a question?
I think Nifani, as he's been interviewed, he has the right to tackle any. You can decide to speak on issues. You can decide to, keep quiet. So if you open your mouth, let whatever comes out encourage people. When people listen to you, let them have that ideology. But the Nifani we knew, with this kind of answer shows Nifani buluni. Excuse my language, a bedroom. Because look, you are a Gan. You are a typical Gan for that matter. It was the Gan people that hold you to get to where you are. No, even if thank you. Even if there are some things, we have some thing about Krobos. We have a typical thing that they say about Krobos. But how dare you come out to say it?
Is that true?
Even
Pokeji
Asantis, they also have some things, but you can't come out and do what? And say it. Yeah, I will excuse you. In like let them so he's enclosed to that, so he saw whatever is going on. But that doesn't mean cantonment, it's legal, airport residential.
When again, in your room, guy, I mean, I am many your shona. I am many crossing shona, or she shona few, on a family a few tomorrow. Kemba Mamplubi on a
side, yeah.
Book and ya. And then I'm gonna have many obase, ma'am.
You get come what failing to work with some watching festival Saturday there. Ni girl who nice girl ni approach girl e ka chole fufu.
Wow, fufu.
Ni dialect ni girl here ni fufu ganyo jibu. Ganyo dilesin. She was born here. At follow US ni ba Ghana. No one 7 years ni akalete back. Bi ane New York University exchange program ko ye bi get called na cherry we ke ogbe na ke picture about chomu ona me
wa try ke be game wa yo
me pini get uncle ko doctor ni kon a children there fam obana ke ameyani never they will never come out that ke neke because could you imagine say because of this stereotype can be people who are guns don't even want them to be referred to as guns.
It's true.
I'm telling you, but me, hey, you can anywhere I'm a gun even if you don't
like me
even if I didn't tell you with what I'll do. You still obana ke o mene me feel born ani
this funny son name na ke double
me wa danger because that day she go me tell my jelly wa your phone no see he was lucky he didn't pick or didn't even call me back but I tagged him on Facebook and beneath the video so I'm sure by this time na
touch all the time I feel show ku I think Teshin Joe, Idan Joe. I don't know. Many video play Kolina.
It doesn't care. We are not Manoko social media. Wakame, Wamame, I'm a Simoni Power. Men on my way, I can't go. Young man, go here. Noni, I am lecturing if a mistake. So I'm in to apologize. Scam of money over here. Because Kobe, I show no meaning. Afu si tumo. Yeah,
well, a month stage and he gave, I'll call it unqualified apology because with this issue you don't need to come out with such this kind of apology.
I think the best thing is and if where you use and make it that derogatory comment you have to go there and then do it. Even you have to do much better because look, when negative things is being said about you, it sells.
Yeah, it's true.
But when the right things come, when the positive one comes, it doesn't sell. So you have to do more than at least in the newspapers go to about 2 or 3. He used I think is he
actually
Lit FM. Yeah. So at least he should use OKFM, he should use UTV, he should use Peace FM to apologize.
I think OKFM, yeah.
He should use all this media and this medium to apologize.
Issue
a written apology. Yeah, I think it's enough. But if not, I would have advised Mofiamo should desist from employing or have any form of relationship when it comes to events and all that with Nifani. Because if you be able to say something about your own people like this, then what about strangers? You can even say more.
So do you think it will affect a career?
One way or the other, it will affect. But be smart as he is, he came out with an unqualified apology. So for now, I need naka he read naka nine, and I think actually nine the apology naka nibiye. So I think I was very happy when I heard all those things. I think one way or the other, if you are pleased with what he did, if you hear the apology, trust me, you will feel better.
You've met Okelekwe one-on-one. What best advice will you give to him? Ekolem, who knows? He's watching us because this channel is big.
Yeah, I know.
Many advice about Sumonoke Hanley.
Oh, I will just tell him for the fact you didn't get married to a Ga person doesn't make guns bad. The fact that you've stayed in the mix of people who are lazy, because that's what he saw.
Yeah. So that's what he's
thinking. That's what he's thinking. So you can, or maybe probably he heard people saying that when he was growing up, but that's not the case. We have hard-working guys. We have people who have made things like let's look at like the like of these MPs. What was the name?
politics in Ghana cra Gameji many damoshi.
Thank you. You know, when you read about the history of Ghana, Charlie, you should be proud that
yeah.
Bona, you should be proud that because this is where we are.
Exactly.
This is where we are staying, and you can't change your identity. So you should be proud of being a Ghana
and try to say positive things about.
Thank you, because what then because of this tribal issues and this stereotype and all that. So people don't like us naturally.
Yeah, it's true.
But because we are like minor tribe, no, people don't really pay attention. But when you go into detail, the kind of things they say about guns,
no more. No one trying to know you'll about promote the positive side of Ghana. You guys should stay tuned to this channel and tell anybody.
Yeah, but they
you should be proud.
You are a Ghana.
Yeah, you see that.
Come on. When you go somewhere, when they see a Ghana person, they know okay, Omene Ghana.
Can't take Ghana. They doubt. The Chorkor.
We will be nice boys, nice guys. You got Facebook. Fine girls, clean in there. Charlie. So me, if I marry, Ghana, no, marry.
Over there, what's your final advice?
I would say, okay, what Nifani did there, I think, okay, it's no good.
But first of all, do you think his people will be able to forgive him?
One way or the other, I think some will be able to forgive him. Because me, I've forgiven him, but I will not listen to Nifani's songs again.
I think
probably. And there is no way I will listen.
They will like meaning Gaye, and he's praising them.
And you know, in the crave of creating a content, or you want to, a trend or publicity
start. People were saying that because
you want to trend, and I'm sure okay, he has this song down before he came to do that comment. So that probably he will use this to promote it. But trust me, you've done it. A farmer, hey. You've done it.
It's true. Yeah.
You've done it. You got what you want. But trust me, this will not sustain you.
Exactly.
You will pay for it.
Exactly.
Do you know I can some people they don't forgive easy.
Yeah,
easily. Sometimes when they hold on to things. Trust me, call cha.
Alright, so interesting. I hope you guys are really enjoying.
Yeah, so you should be proud that you are a Ghana, wherever you are. Be proud, be bold. I can put there Ganyojimu.
Do you have a final something to tell us?
Okay. Look, I think for now, this is where we belong.
Yeah.
This is our identity.
Yeah.
We can't do anything else beside this. So let's put ourselves into education, politics.
Yeah.
Social things. When it comes to entertainment. So that thank you. And one thing I will appeal the government or Gadangme, we should make it compulsory. They will teach Ga in every school in Accra.
This topic we'll leave it for another day because there's a lot new about you
for sure.
This kind of thing. So we'll leave it for another day. I'll bring him back, Nyeka Warrior, because he's loaded. So you'll be seeing him more often on the channel. And the channel, subscribe to the channel. He's a very vibrant and a very cool person. I think we'll end here and then another time in Kalababa. Aleno, let me know in the comment section. Tomomi Odremo, noni work by Sanine, Nifani, and Nifani Bakile. Chorkor noni a will jogba. Ko mini okba. Ko ni okmaha Nifani. Animally, comment in the comment section. Ekole in the bashe video ni eba read. Nyeradon be konkule obakpe ingbeji ni ayi aka Gadangme. Until then I see you on my next episode. Ola bawo. Peace out.